Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got a little bit of a different review for you guys. Stay tuned, find out more. Alrighty, guys, so this is going to be more of a little bit different unboxing review style for the channel. This does not have to do with any sneaker-related content. However, it is streetwear and or, hype culture, if you want to call it like that. I was actually able to secure a couple of items from the Cyber Monday Kith program that they do every single year. This year they partnered up with Disney, so I got a couple pieces and I want to show you guys. The first item on the list, guys, is going to be this hoodie right here. And like I said, this is the Kith and Disney collection. Or here is the label right here. It actually just says Kith, Disney, Mickey box logo, and this is the Williams 3 hoodie. This is the black, this is the Mickey Mouse version right here. So they had a bunch of different designs over on the website. And first off, guys, I want to tell you guys right now that these hoodies are quality hoodies because they feel like really premium, really soft to the touch. And honestly, this is my first Kith, any pieces from Kith. So I'm actually very happy with the quality so far. Now, you are going to get some other touches. As far as the tag goes, you're going to get this little tag right here. It says, it's going to say right here, guys, on the little tag right here, Kith is built on the foundation of friends and family, Kith and kin. Those who resonate with our belief in solidarity belong to the tight-knit culture with Kith embodies. By purchasing this item, you are part of our family, and our family is who we represent. Nice little touch right there. You're also going to get the tag that says Kith, and with a little Disney logo right there as well. And other than that, guys, like I said, this is a pretty simple review. However, I just want to show you guys some of these pieces. So we are going to get the Kith logo, box logo in the red right here, as well as the Mickey, which I think is pretty cool. How it's not overdone, but it is a nice subtle little logo right there. Really cool, like I said. It is a cool collection. And then also on the sleeve, you're going to get a little OG Mickey logo. It is black on black, so it might be hard to tell on camera, but I am going to try to get it as best as I can for you guys. Right there. Hopefully you guys are able to see that little Mickey right there. Then the next up, guys, I did get the crew neck right here. The logo or the label reads on this one, Kith, Disney, Goofy box logo, Williams crew neck, and this is in the machine colorway. Now, right opening it, this feels just like the hoodie does, the crew neck. Very soft on the inside, as well as very nice material, guys. Like, it's a nice, this feels like premium quality, honestly. It really does. So here is the Goofy logo with the yellow box logo right here. Really cool, like I said, guys. First off, actually, the tag is going to be the exact same tag across the entire line. So actually, here's the tag right here. So there's the Kith Disney tag with your size, and then right here is going to be the Goofy and Kith logo right there. Like I said, really high quality materials. It feels really nice to the touch, and hopefully after washes and stuff like that, the logo is gonna hold up, because it's almost like that Chanel print too. It's almost like a varsity Letterman jacket, like when you have like the patch on here. Almost feels like that type of material right there. You can tell it's definitely raised and all that. So hopefully a couple washes, it's still gonna be good. But as far as the material and the weight of it, and it actually stretches as well. Like I said, really premium hoodie, guys. Really nice. And I love this color. It's like a kind of like a greenish, grayish color. Really cool. And like I said, there's the Goofy logo. Not too big, not too small, just kind of the right size for me. It's pretty subtle, so I really like this one. And here's the third and final piece that I did get. This is also another Goofy logo. A little bit different though, because this is the hoodie, same as the first one with the Mickey. Kith, Disney, Goofy box logo, Williams 3 hoodie. And this is in the Stadium Green colorway. So this is definitely more of that hunter green, or like alpine green, or whatever you want to call it. And same material, still feels very premium. Same tags and all that stuff, but this is just going to be that hunter green. And I actually like this one a little bit better. He's got the all like what kind of expression right there. So pretty cool, guys. Really nice premium quality. Look at that logo. Really nice details. I'll throw some shots on the screen as well, some up close shots from Kith themselves. but like I said, it is a nice premium quality hoodie, and I'm really happy because it's my first Kith collection I was actually able to cop. Like I said, this is my first Kith collection, so I'm happy I was able to actually cop this, because usually they sell out, and just like these did, they sold out super fast. I actually entered in the raffle system that Kith did over on the Kith app, so I was actually able to get all 3 that I even went for, which is pretty crazy. So I think you had a better chance of going in for them on the app as opposed to waiting for the launch, because the launch was 11 p.m. Eastern. They actually dropped 2 minutes early. As soon as it loaded up, all sizes were basically sold out except for like a handful here and there. But if I would have waited for the launch, I would have never been able to secure anything. So happy I entered the raffle. Really cool logo right here, and just another one where all 3 are gonna, I think every single one in the collection is actually gonna have the same little Mickey logo right there. So guys, let me know what you guys think about this video down below in the comments section. Did you cop anything from Kith? Do you like Kith as a brand? And do you normally go for their Cyber Monday releases? It's a very limited exclusive collection. Happy I was able to get some. And like I said, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe if you're new around here. And like I said, leave everything down in the comment section below. I want to hear everything from you guys. Your experience with Kith in the past, if you've ever picked up any of their collection pieces. And also, guys, let me know in the comment section, out of the 3 that I picked up, which one is your favorite? And I know that this was a little bit different video, but if you do like this content, let me know, guys, because I'll do some reviews of some other, streetwear brands. I know Supreme has another drop coming up soon. So let me know if I should go for some of that stuff and review it for you guys on the channel. Let me know in the comments section down below if that's something you're interested in. And other than that, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys are still with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.